How to make money fast, really fast, or not? Day trading is one of the riskiest types of investments with a small chance of huge profits. And when I say huge, I mean a few hundred or even thousands of dollars within minutes and with a single trade. It's personal to me to share this video because I had a difficult experience and I hope no one has to go through the same thing. Today's video starts with a brief story of how I got into trading and how it all played out, followed by the potential profits and risks involved. Greetings everyone and welcome back to Stock Miner. So how did I get into trading and why? For many years, I had an ever-growing dream to be financially independent and create wealth at a young age. I started with stock investments, then moved on to crypto trading and investing in ETFs. At some point, I came across day trading and wanted to give it a try. Coincidentally, I received an Instagram ad for a free Telegram channel that sent Forex trading signals. I signed up and got started. And just to be clear, I had no idea what I was doing. Lot size, stop loss, take profit, account size, margin call, no idea. I started with small lot sizes and was making profits of about $8 to $10 per trade. My account size at that time was $3,000. One day at the end of the day, I saw that I had made $280 of profit. I was flashed by it and wanted more. That was the first mistake I made. I got too greedy and increased the lot sizes, which my account couldn't handle. I got higher profits, but the losses were even bigger. I then switched to other Telegram channels and discovered a hidden world with thousands of channels that claim to be the best and have a higher success rate than anyone else. Everything they said sounded convincing to me. And from there on, it all went downhill. I was trading around 0.5 to 1.0 lot size. And when I made a profitable trade, it was barely over $300 per trade because, like I said, I was too greedy. When I made a losing trade, it was always more than $500. My account was melting, and at that time I was putting about $21,000 into the account just to have more security for my margin. As a last resort, I saw that some Telegram chats offered account management services. They would take a 40% cut of the profits, and if they blew up the account, they would pay back 1/3 of the initial balance. I thought it was a fair deal with the experts doing the work with my money. Those $21,000 from my account melted down to $9,000 at this point. The account manager recovered $600, of which he received 40%, but then he started losing trades for weeks. He made a good trade here and there, got back $300 to $500, but the majority of the trades were losses. We are now talking about an order of magnitude of $1,000. Every lost trade was greater than $1,000. After 3 weeks, he lost about 50% of my account. I told him to cancel the service and he promised me to transfer $3,000 back. And guess what? He didn't. After postponing the agreed date, I woke up on a Saturday and chats were deleted. I was blocked from their open trading channel and I never heard from him again. A stupid idea and a terrible mistake on my part. I know that. I just wonder why he didn't sweep my 10,000 account in the first place, since I gave him password and all. But like I said, I saw an opportunity and wanted to take it. Mistakenly, it was all fairy dust. A story I'm not proud of. And here's the shocker. All in all, I have lost $25,000 with trading. I am left with $5,000 account balance and I am paralyzed as to what to do with it. Any suggestions? Let me know in the comments. But now let's move on to the potential profits and risks of day trading. The potential profits always depend on lot size. For currencies, a lot size of 0.1 can bring around $100 in a very volatile trade where the market moves 100 pips. A pip is the smallest possible change that a Forex value can experience. Pips are the working tool for traders. If you increase the lot size to 1.0, you can earn $1,000 or even more. It is always recommended to not invest more than 10% of the balance. So if you want to make $1,000 profit with one lot, the balance must be at least 10,000. But let's take a closer look at how it is possible to make such high profits. In day trading, you rely on strong market fluctuations in the minute range. If you zoom out, you don't see any fluctuations. Let's take the currency pair Euro and US dollar. It moves around 0.1 to 0.9% per day on average. If you open more lots behind it, the numbers fluctuate much more. A day trader makes profit on these figures, either up or down. A price fluctuation of 0.01 could be $1,000 in the eyes of a trader with one lot size. It is possible to make these profits, but if the trade moves against you, you will probably lose even more, and that's within minutes. And that brings us to the risks. One of the risks of day trading is emotional behavior. If you've never seen a trade yield hundreds of dollars in profits within minutes, you want to collect them. You leave a trade with $300 profit, but it could have easily been $800 to $900. On the contrary, when you start losing a trade, it usually happens more quickly. Emotional behavior then tells you to wait, because it might recover, but instead it keeps its momentum. Trading requires skill, incredible skill. What you gain, others lose. The competition in trading is huge. Anyone can get into trading because it's so easy. You can do it from your phone with as little as $100. You can join a free signal channel and make a few bucks on the side. But the essence of trading is that if the majority of people and the majority of volume shorts a trade, the candlestick will go down, and vice versa. It's a constant tug of war. What will win, long or short? And to make profits, it just depends on which side you are. Personally, I would love to add another source of income with day trading because the potential is enormous. However, I lack skill and time, and that ended up costing me so much money. I would be very interested in reading some stories in the comments about your experience with trading. I'll see you there for a chat. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye bye.